guys! Welcome to my vlog! Dito kami ngayon sa my Colon. Sige na.
So that's what you wanted to see.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. Ay! Pero mag-sorry, no? Ha? Oh.
Elevator na lang pa.
Ah. Oh. Oh, wow. So beautiful. Oh, so nice. Grabe. Cathedral Church. Ay. How did they build this? It's so big. How did they build?
How did they build it?
Yes. Let's go, let's go. Ako apod kay akong trapuhan mura man pugway sipon.
Pero murag nagatubod.
Oo, murag nagatupod ba.
Picture?
Picture? No, just see.
Did you take?
Yeah.
Too many.
Take too many. Yeah, let's go.
Glass.
Huh?
See the glass?
Yes, yes, yes. It's so nice. That's why I asked how did they build? How did they build? It's so beautiful. Ay, ang ganda na talaga guys. Super. Oh, kaysa gawas.
Kahiyon ba ko eh? Gusto tignawan kay ko. That's fun.
Let's go. Yeah.
Nindot kayo. Take.
Sa bishop ka ng mga bishops nga corpse nga kuan.
Wala na bok. Kuanan na. I don't have idea because I'm not a Catholic.
Yes. Kan ako di mo.
Ah,
Anna? Jetzt kommt er doch. Ja.
let's go. We are here already. Cardinal. Agustus. Not clear, not clear on.
That's a little
Huh? Go na see here. Nilo eh. Sorry. Kita. We cannot see. Huh? Asa dahil si Ade? Nangihi ko ganihan sa inyo ha. Oo, pagikan na to.
Melly, du musst auf Toilette.
How many years did they build this one? 700 years?
Ja.
Oh.
700 years. Bilangan is the altar.
Wie alt? 1200, glaube ich. 1200 vielleicht?
1200
1200.
Ja.
Jahr?
Nee, 1200.
1,200.
Oh, 1,200. Oh.
1,000.
Look at their mga ano. Hi! Oh, wow, 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 wow.
Ja, gehen Sie bitte hier links ungefähr 30 Meter Treppe runter.
Suara kalam. See? Ayan, tapos na kami sa loob ng cathedral ngayon. Doon na naman kami sa may, yung nakahanging na train. Punta naman kami sa nakahanging na train at sasakay daw kami, sabi ng aking kaibigan. Kaya, see you there. Thank you. Yan, biyahe muna kami.
Oh, it's falling down.
Oh, it's falling down. Stay, stay, stay.
See, if I still have my ponytail, I could give you my rubber to tie, but I always tie my ponytail.
500 Meter links abbiegen. I have my rubber on my hair.
See, you have to wrap that around it. No?
No. Excuse me, my sweetheart. You want candy?
You like the taste of that? It's menthol.
You like?
No, I never been on that muscle.
Oh, it's playing. Where is the bridge?
So this is the way we came in.
200 Meter links abbiegen in die Goldsmühlheimer Straße.
There's the bridge there.
let's see. Oh, let's go left.
Beat it. Who will perform the Beat It? Michael Jackson is died already.
Hope they let me in. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Oh, daughter is there, honey. Alright.
You want to open?
Yeah.
Hey.
In 500 Metern rechts halten.
Keep an eye on where he is.
Yes. Hi guys, sa Bupatal na naman kami.
Links abbiegen in die Wilhelm-Mutmann-Straße.
Alas 6 pa lang dito. What time is it? 5? Almost 6 o'clock. Pero madilim,
And
madilim.
it's dark outside.
It's dark outside.
We're afraid of the dark.
The fox afraid of the dark.
Jetzt links abbiegen.
You're a fox.
Ah? See it again.
I said you're a fox.
No kiss tonight.
Oh. You're a foxy lady.
Foxy lady, are you sure? Can I kiss you now? I kiss you now.
In 200 Metern rechts abbiegen in die Corneliusstraße.
Have a nice building also here. See their houses.
It's a factory.
Oh, we're gonna go this way.